2008 Itasca Sunrise 32H for sale in Cleveland, Ohio 44130. Spread your wings and fly with this 2008 Itasca Sunrise 32H. This Class A motorhome is 32.83 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Triton V10 gasoline engine mated with an automatic Torqshift 5-speed automatic transmission. This RV has 2 slide-outs, 1 awning and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 6 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with captain's chairs, leveling system, backup and lane change camera. With only 85,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Itasca will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2008 Itasca Sunrise 32H is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include solid surface countertops, 3-burner StoveConvection microwave double door refrigerator/FreezerDinette with chair SeatingDouble kitchen SinkDinette TelevisionSurround SoundDVD/CD/ StereoSofa SleeperShowerToilet SinkMaster queen bed full-size master closet / DresserBasement storage solar panels that charge the 4 solar house batteries alternator and engine battery replaced. April 2019 new Michelin tires, front and back. December 2019 driven less than 2,000 since new tires were installed. New shocks and stabilizers, front and back. December 2019 new alternator and new engine battery. December 2019. New brakes, front and back. December 2019 new deep cycle 6V house batteries installed. June 2020 and so much more. This 2008 Itasca Sunrise 32H is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Itasca Sunrise is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2008 Itasca Sunrise 32H.